make my TikTok videos go viral. So if you want to make your TikTok videos go viral, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your stable internet connection, you need to open up your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to just scroll down a bit, go with privacy. Under privacy section, scroll down again, and you will have suggest your account to others. Tap on it. And here you will have contacts, right? So you need to go and turn on your contacts, your Facebook friends, people who open or send you links. You need to turn on all of these options. After turning on, you can go back, go with the plus which is on the bottom, and go and record your video. After that, go with next which is on the bottom right. And once you've done, tap on the option which is followers can view this post. You need to go with everyone. Make sure that it says everyone can view this post, and make sure that your account is a public account, not a private account. And you can also add a catchy description for this video and also use friendly hashtags to get more reach. Once you're done, hit the post button from the bottom panel. And once the video has been uploaded publicly, tap on the profile icon again. Now all you need to do is wait for the video to get viral. So by following these easy steps, you'll be able to make your TikTok videos go viral. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.